Here it is. You've been waiting for it. Flex has finally announced 12-inch double bevel sliding compound motor saw, and the specs and features look really, really good. Flex is promising a tool that's not just powerful, but remarkably versatile. It's designed for precision and ease, making it a top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This saw stands out not only for its dual bevel functionality and smooth sliding mechanism, but its ability to run on batteries or plug into a wall outlet. Let's delve into what may make this motor saw a must-have for any serious woodworker. Let's get into it right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Want to help out with the channel? Head on over to the merch store. You can get hats, hoodies, t-shirts. Link will be in the description below. The Flex 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound motor saw embodies a remarkable fusion of power, precision, and innovation. A centerpiece, I may say, in any wood workshop. This saw is engineered for both the meticulous craftsman and the high-volume contractor, such as myself. At the heart of this saw is a high-performance motor built to tackle the toughest of materials with ease. Its enduring power and reliability ensure that you can rely on it for both intricate and heavy-duty cuts. The saw's double bevel design is a must in a large capacity motor saw. This feature enables users to make angle cuts in both directions without the hassle of flipping the workpiece, streamlining the workflow significantly. Now, for rough frame carpenters that are going to be using this saw, or even like form carpenters, it might not seem like such a great benefit, but I assure you, finished carpenters will appreciate that feature tremendously. Precision seems to be paramount with this motor saw. The integrated LED shadow line cutting system allows for fast alignment and accurate cuts. It never needs recalibration and should deliver clean and accurate cuts every time. With an advanced sliding mechanism, the saw extends its cutting capacity, making it ideal for larger materials. This sliding feature is not just about extending range, it's about maintaining control and precision across every cut. No need to flip materials over to finish the cut or do things that are not safe, like flip material up to get more capacity. You have the slide mechanism that turns a 12-inch sliding motor saw, it's a 12-inch motor saw, into an even more capacity-hungry, large capacity saw. Now here's the deal. Power, capacity is all great, but safety and ease of use haven't been overlooked either. The saw is equipped with intuitive controls and safety features that make it accessible to both seasoned professionals and beginners alike. Like the fast shift bevel level for easy bevel angle adjustment. Say that fast 10 times like in a row. And a spindle stop shaft lock for fast blade changes. This prevents inadvertent startups when changing the blade. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, reducing fatigue and enhancing productivity. And the reality is that reducing fatigue is also a safety feature, because as you become tired with repetitive motions, you might, stop paying attention. You could doze off. I don't know, but we want to keep you in tune to your work when you're doing your work, especially around large format saws such as this 12-inch double bevel sliding motor saw. For those dealing with varied project demands, the saw's versatility is a standout. Whether it's creating intricate joinery, framing, or crown molding, the Flex 12-inch motor saw adapts effortlessly. The attention to detail in its design, from the clear bevel scale to the easy-to-adjust motor angles, underscores its commitment to user-focused functionality. In sum, the Flex double bevel sliding compound motor saw, it's a 12-incher, is not just a tool, it's a partner in your woodworking journey. It brings together robust power, meticulous precision, and thoughtful design, ensuring that every cut contributes to crafting not just a piece, but a masterpiece. Here's the part that I really love. It's the advanced power options. It's the Flex 24-volt AC/DC power adapter. And the Flex 12-inch double bevel sliding compound motor saw elevates its versatility with this innovative feature. This adapter seamlessly integrates with the saw, offering an alternative power source that enhances its usability in various environments. Whether on a remote job site or in the workshop, the adapter ensures consistent performance. Its design prioritizes convenience, allowing for easy switching between AC and DC power without sacrificing the saw's efficiency or power output. This flexibility not only extends the saw's runtime, but also ensures reliability across different project needs. With the Flex 24-volt power adapter, the Flex 12-inch motor saw becomes a more adaptable and resilient tool, ready to meet the diverse demands of modern woodworking and construction projects. Honestly, I would hope that the competition, all the competitors out there, see this being done by Flex and look to adapt these solutions, because batteries aren't cheap and they have a finite lifespan. This could prolong your batteries, saving you money. Now, when evaluating the Flex dual bevel sliding motor saw against its counterparts, its unique features and capabilities become strikingly evident. Knowing the lineage of Flex tools and its sister brand, Skillsaw, we're almost certain this saw will stand out for its blend of power and precision, challenging the norms of traditional contractor-grade woodworking tools. One of the saw's key distinctions lie in the motor efficiency and cutting speed, which surpass many of the competitors in its class. Its robust motor delivers consistent power, crucial for demanding cuts in tougher materials. And the reality is that people don't understand, especially when you have a larger format saw like a 12-inch motor saw. It takes a tremendous amount of power to spin that blade. And if you do not have the right amount of speed, torque, and power to spin that blade, that's where the blade deflection comes in and causes blade chatter through your material. It just will make your life more difficult in finishing your work and getting the finishes that are required by demanding customers. I do have a lot of confidence, though, because of the lessons learned through Skillsaw. This Flex motor saw should deliver top-notch quality, especially when it comes to cutting through hardwoods. Flex claims best-in-class runtime, up to 630 crosscuts in 3¼ inch MDF with their 10 amp hour stacked lithium battery. The precision of the Flex 12-inch motor saw should also be noteworthy. The accuracy of its cuts, facilitated by the advanced sliding mechanism and dual bevel design, is a significant advantage over many models that offer limited flexibility and precision. This adaptability is not commonly found in many similar tools, making Flex more versatile and user-friendly. The AC/DC adapter will also be compatible with the new Flex table saw just recently announced. You can check that out right here. Go check it out. In conclusion, this Flex saw distinguishes itself in a marketplace that's full of 12-inch double bevel sliding motor saw through its advanced power options, superior precision, ergonomic design, and safety features. The saw looks to set a new benchmark for what professionals can expect from a higher quality motor saw. Let's talk about another feature and benefit when adopting Flex tools, and that is their Flex Founders Lifetime Warranty. It underlines the manufacturer's confidence in the durability and quality of their product. For consumers, it means the assurance of support and service over the lifespan of the saw. This level of warranty coverage is a significant factor to consider when investing in a high-quality tool. Now, I want to hear what you think about the announcement of this AC/DC adaptable 12-inch double bevel sliding motor saw from Flex. Do you love the idea? Do you hate the idea? Do you love Flex tools? Do you hate Flex tools? We want to know. Leave it all below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. I know what you're saying right now. You're like, Oh no, is the video ending? Are we not gonna, is this over? But I wanna see more tools. Well, I got one. It's coming up right after this one. You're gonna love it. It's more flex. It's their table saw, in case you haven't seen it yet. There's two variety. Go and check it out. You're gonna love it.